Let's take another look at the counting change to understand carrying baggage into recursion. How can we list out the actual ways to do the change? Well, the solution you have seen so far only outputs the total number of ways you can change the $1, which is 343. But what if you want to know the actual ways of changing it? Like you need to use 250 cents to make up $1, or another way, 150, 120, and 310 cents to make up the dollar, and so on. So how can we do that? Here is an example where you can count change 20 cents. These are the ways to do it. 21 cents, 1 5 cent, and 15 1 cent, or 2 10 cents. Right? In total, there are 9 ways to change the 20 cents. How can we list this out like this? This is the original program. Define CC, the amount you want to change, and how many kinds of coin you have. We leave some space here for us to put in new parameter. With the amount equal to 0, we return 1. So at this moment, we have one answer. If you have kept the solutions somehow, you would be able to return it here as well. So this is the partial answer that we have. We don't want the last character, so we have from beginning to the end except the last character. So this is where we print out the answer. Else if amount less than 0 or the kind of coins you have is 0, then you return 0. Otherwise, here is the recursion. Return, this is to exclude one kind of coin. This is to include that kind of coin but subtract away the amount. And maintain, you still have the same number of kind of coins. Alright, so we need to amend the function with the partial answer here. And when we call this, we also have the partial answer. And this partial answer and this partial answer are the same because there's no new solution found here. So this remains the same. On the other hand, if you have used one coin to be part of your solutions, then your partial solution should have that coin to be a part of the solutions. That's why this is plus string concatenations of this kind of coin, which is 50, 20, 10, 5, and 1, depending on what you use, plus additional plus, which we are going to remove it at the very end. Alright, so this is the new recursions with the added partial answer, which is like a baggage that you bring along into the recursions. And this baggage is the same as before. If you do not do anything, if you have decided to use one coin, then your partial solutions, or partial answer, should be concatenated with that coin and to move into the recursions. Now, changing the coin 20 instead of count coin 20, because this count coin 20 will use up all the 5 kind of coins. We do not want to use 20 for 20. So we are left with 3 kinds of coins to pass into the recursions, and we initialize the partial answer as empty. So this whole routine will give you the actual ways of changing the coins rather than just simply a number. To sum up this part, we see that inside recursions, besides the common understanding of basic cases and the recursive into smaller problems, we see in this part that you can actually put in a baggage to be carried along into the recursions. And this comes in handy to composite into solutions along the way.